Experiencing an unresponsive menu on your Spectrum cable box? The first step is to troubleshoot your remote control. Begin by checking the batteries and replacing them if necessary. Low batteries are a common cause of remote failure. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the cable box if you're using an infrared IR remote. Obstacles can block the signal. Interference from other devices can disrupt the signal. Keep the remote away from microwaves, Wi-Fi routers, or bright lights. If you have a Bluetooth remote, verify it's properly paired with the box through the settings menu. The Spectrum TV app can serve as a temporary remote to confirm if the issue lies with the physical remote itself. A diagnostic check via the on-screen menu is another option if the remote is partially functional. If the remote isn't the problem, the menu issues might stem from accumulated cache or software glitches. Clearing the cable box's cache is crucial for smooth performance. You can usually do this through the box's diagnostic menu. If the menu is completely frozen, perform a soft reboot by power cycling the box. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary memory and resolves many software-related problems. Spectrum recommends this as a first-line fix, with 80% of menu issues resolving this way. Monthly cache clears can prevent future problems, especially with increased streaming integration.